Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss if you can invite a collaborator on Instagram after posting. So let's start. First of all, let's go to Instagram and see how we can invite a collaborator. So after you open Instagram and log into your account, tap on the plus sign, then after select any photo. After you have selected the photo, then after tap on next once again. Before making the new post, you will get the option to tag people. Tap on tag people. Then after tap on invite collaborators. Now you can type the user ID of the person that you want to add as a collaborator. After you add a collaborator, this specific post will be displayed in both of your accounts. So this is how you can add collaborators on an Instagram post. However, if you want to add a collaborator after posting, there is no actual way to make it an official collaboration. Let's show you with an example. After you go to your profile and select the post, tap on the three dots, then after you will find the edit option, tap on edit. You can always tag people by tapping on tag, then after tapping on photo and adding the username of the person. By doing this, the tagged person will get a notification of the post. However, as you saw, there is no option to add a collaborator. This means you cannot invite a collaborator on an Instagram post after you have already posted it. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.